After promulgation of the 2010 constitution that led to the creation of devolved governments, Kwale County was among the 47 counties created in 2013. Salim Mvurya and Fatuma Achani were the Kwale County Pioneer Governor and Deputy Governor respectively. They laid down administrative structures to ensure service delivery from the county level to the village and grassroots level. Salim Mvurya led the county for 10 years with Achani as his deputy before she took over the mantle after 2022 general election.
I, Honorable Fatuma Mohammed Achani, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Kwale County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
We started the Elimu ni Sasa program where we allocated funds in every ward, which now amounts to 400 million shillings, translating to 20 million shillings in each ward. The initial number of students in the program was 258. Now we have 7,805 students being sponsored in national schools. For university students, we started with 166 students, but now we are supporting 4,035 students. By last year, 1,255 had graduated with the bachelors in medicine, engineering, law, among other courses.
I put in a lot of effort having my own targets from Form 1 to Form 4 and scored A- in the KCC. I thank God the county government helped me through my secondary education without being sent home for school fees.
Through Salim Mvurya and Fatuma Achani's government, I got a scholarship to study at Kapsabet High School and managed to get an A in the KCSE. I am now hoping to join the university to study medicine and surgery.
The Pioneer County administration found health sector in a deplorable state, but with various interventions, things started moving to the right direction. Level 4 hospitals increased from 3 to 5, while 49 maternity units were operationalized to improve safe maternal health care. Increasing the number of health workers from 479 in 2013 to 1,920 in 2022 has facilitated the availability of healthcare providers in 151 dispensaries, 8 health centers and 5 hospitals in the county, thereby reducing the number of maternal mortality rate.
Before I got pregnant, this dairy dispensary was being constructed by the county government. When I got pregnant, I came here for delivery and I delivered my child safely. It is now easier for women to come to the health centers because healthcare workers are here to serve every minute. There were a lot of challenges before. On weekends, health workers would go home even if a pregnant woman is in labor. You could not find anyone to serve you. But now that the county government has constructed staff houses for the health workers, they are always available even at night and you can deliver your baby safely. Before the dispensary was constructed, many women used to deliver at home and a big number of them would lose their lives. But now that we have a dispensary, a huge number is delivering here.
When devolution was kicking in, research was showing that out of 100,000 women who were giving birth, 550 would die at home, while those dying in the hospitals were 230. But now, with the construction of several hospitals, statistics indicate that the number of women dying while giving birth has gone down to 35 out of 100,000 women delivering at health facilities.
Water being one of the critical commodities, the county government has provided a reliable and clean drinking water through construction of dams for domestic, livestock and irrigation use, with 83 water pipelines of about 493 kilometers being put in place. In addition, 326 boreholes have been sunk across the county, with 98 of them installed with electric pumps, 106 installed with solar pumps and 97 installed with hand pumps.
Hii Nyalani peke yake haitutoshi.
Nyalani Dam alone will not solve water problems. We will construct more mega dams so that we can solve food insecurity. We will have water for domestic use, for livestock and for irrigation.
This water project will help us in a big way because we used to fuel our motorbikes, which is very expensive to go and fetch water far from here. We will now be fetching water very close to our homes. We were doing charcoal business, but now that we have water for irrigation, we are growing fruits and vegetables including tomatoes, which fetch good earnings. We don't even wish to be employed.
Because of the vegetables and fruits we are growing here, our children no longer suffer from malnutrition. They are healthy.
The county government continues to put more efforts to bring services closer to the people. Devolution has empowered women in Kwale County both economically and in leadership through village savings and loan associations (VSLAs). It gave leadership opportunity to the pioneer Deputy Governor Fatuma Achani, who served for 10 years under the leadership of then Governor Salim Mvurya. Achani has taken up the mantle from Mvurya, making her the first female Muslim governor elected in the entire country. Her Women Empowerment Program has seen over 6,000 groups in Kwale County economically and socially progress through village savings.
Kikundi yetu ni ile ya table banking. Kuna pesa tuna save ya dharura kama mwanachama labda amepata dharura, alafu kuna ingine tunaweka sasa ya savings.
In our group, we do table banking. We save and give out loans among ourselves according to one's savings. I want to thank Fatuma Achani because she took interest in women groups across the entire county and she has contributed to all the village women groups. I would tell Achani to continue with the same spirit because she has demonstrated leadership in all areas, and that is why she was elected as governor by the people after getting favor from God. Let her continue having faith in other women.
I was doing a project on gender-based violence in Kwale County, basically. And I think through that initiative, that's when she came to hear about me. She has given me a platform to interact with so many women. She gave me a platform to know what is happening on the ground. I have grown because now I know what exactly the women of Kwale County are going through.
Tunashukuru kwamba leo tuko hapa kutathmini.
We are taking stock on the Wadada wa Power program, which has been on empowering women in leadership. Our aim was to get more women run for political seats and get elected. The number of women who vied in the 2022 election went up because initially we could hardly get 20 women running for political offices, but this time we got 46 of them vying for various seats. Out of the 46, 12 went through the ballot after vigorous nomination. Out of the 12, we are grateful that 2 were elected, and these are Governor Fatuma Achani and Ramisi Ward MCA Anifa Mwajirani.
Lakini nataka kusisitiza kwa kina mama. Mama yenu amekuja katika vikundi vingi mkivunja anatuma mchana.
And I want to insist to our women, I have come to tour our village table banking groups and made my contributions. I'm now urging you, as you continue with the groups, you can also establish companies. The companies you establish will help you get tenders from the county government. You can get catering services, stationery and mineral water supply tenders. Next time when I visit this area, I want to hear that several women groups have started their limited companies. I would rather hear you've started a company and you're stuck somewhere, then I will help you with my finances to register the company. This will move our community and our county forward.